चांद रात के आलम के बाद अब बात रंगमंच की। भारतीय नाटक शैली, विचार विमर्श और प्रयोग पर हुई सुंदर चर्चा when Hindi मंच नाट्य विभाग, the drama wing of Hindi मंच, presented a talk and workshop on Indian theatre with श्री भारत रत्न भार्गवा और न्यू इंग्लैंड थिएटर लवर्स ने सीखी जीवन की भाषा, नाटक की परिभाषा।
जीवन की भाषा, नाटक की परिभाषा और हिंदी भाषा को सीखने की आशा हुआ हिंदी प्रेमियों और नाटक प्रेमियों का मिलन। When हिंदी मंच नाट्य विभाग presented a talk and workshop on Indian theatre with Shri Bharat Ratna Bhargava, who is the play director for an upcoming Hindi मंच production.
ये घासीराम कोतवाल की मौत का दृश्य है। हम देखना चाहते हैं कि मौत का दृश्य, वो मर रहा है, उस मरते हुए को देख करके आप क्या दर्शक आनंदित हो सकता है किसी आदमी की मौत को देखकर? यस, हमारा जो प्रयोजन है, रस है, कैथारसिस नहीं, जिसके बारे में हमने बात की थी, उस मृत्यु के दृश्य को किस तरह आर्टिस्टिकली प्रेजेंट करते हैं वो देखें। और ये अंतिम है। चलिए।
The workshop was conducted by the very talented and renowned writer, poet and theatre personality Bharat Ratna Bhargav, who has won the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award, Jodhpur Kala Purodha Award and the Best Critic Award from the Hindi Academy, Delhi. He wrote Rang Habib as critical appreciation of Habib Tanveer's work. He has set up his academy, Natyakulam, to impart training in theatre to youngsters. Well, workshop से पहले हिंदी मंच प्रेसिडेंट प्रीतेश श्रीवास्तव ने किया भार्गव जी का स्वागत और हमने जानना चाहा इस कार्यक्रम का मकसद।
देखिए, हिंदी मंच नाट्य विभाग का मुख्य उद्देश्य है कि हिंदी प्रेमी और नाटक प्रेमियों को साथ में जोड़ना और उनको एक मंच प्रदान करना कि वो आकर वो कर सकें जिनमें वो खास रुचि रखते हैं।
इस वर्कशॉप के दौरान थिएटर लवर्स को भारतीय नाटक शैली की बारीकियों के बारे में पता लगा। And amongst the theatre personalities present at the event, we got in conversation with the founder of Dhoom Entertainment.
Firstly, I have been born and brought up in theatre with both my parents are theatre personality. I mean, mostly people know I'm Tarak Mehta's daughter, big theatre personality. And I feel theatre, drama is one thing, you must come to the auditorium. If it's a music concert, kahin na kahin you can listen to music in your car, or a movie you download, you can get a DVD. But theatre is something you must come to the auditorium and watch it with friends. Laugh, cry, everything, because watching people live, watching artists live, and I think for theatre people also getting this audience responsibility. So I've always been encouraged. In fact, my husband and I used to run a theatre called Avanta Theatre, where we used to perform, and we performed all over United States. And then eventually I took upon, inviting the best celebrity plays from India. So I think, it is important that we support theatre. People, koi bhi, we make sure we get the best of plays. So I hope that, New Englanders keep supporting me in bringing live theatre here. We are bringing a play called Mera Wo Matlab Nahi Tha, starring Anupam Kher, and who needs no introduction, Neena Gupta, who is like the biggest TV personality, and Rakesh Bedi, again, he needs no introduction, and he has written and directed the play. And then there are a lot more artists who are actually audio-visually there, kafi kuch back screen pe. So I think people should come and experiment it. I think it's going to be a wonderful show.
Theatre as an art is loved by all in its various different forms. You may need talent, skills and training to practice it, but only love for theatre to enjoy and watch it. And this was an opportunity to learn about Indian theatre for all New England theatre lovers.